everybody, so I'm back, guys, and I'm here with him. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Smart. So I got a Chinese handcuff, and mine's kind of messed up because we're doing all kind of stuff with it. And then, yeah. So I'm going to show you how the easiest way to get out. So when you have one finger, you just push, put the thumb right here, kind of like just pull. Or you can do that. And so, yeah. So I'm going to show you when you got two fingers in there, you do like this, put the thumb right here, and just push. And then it comes straight off. Now when you got it on these fingers, it's a little bit more difficult. So you do like this, grab it, and you just kind of like, you got it. What are you staring at me? And then, it's kind of easy from there. Like you do it with all fingers. Thumbs included.
iHeartRadio is the easy-to-use app for music and radio.
These fingers.
Free iHeartRadio app today.
Ring fingers. Pinky fingers. If I can get it stuck. And then, for the pinky, it's kind of easy because you can just like, when it's stuck, you can just kind of like do like this, do it for a little while, and it eventually comes up like that. It's not for the last trick to do it. If it's stuck like this, you just, and then you got it like this. And so now I'd have nothing. I'll go see the other one that jumping. Sure. And then this is what he did with his. It says his against mine. They look both look blue.
They both are blue, right?
No.
One's purple.
Like on camera, look, they both look blue.
I thought they were both blue.
No, so the lady gave me a girl color.
Mom, why are we going this way?
Don't worry about why we're going this way.
Huh?
This is all
Are we going
yours.
home?
That's all yours. And this is mine. So we're gonna go ahead and get my finger stuck in this one again, and we're gonna rip it. Some more destructive work. I like to destruct things. Ha! I ain't gonna do no more. I gotta pick up it now. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and then yeah. Say bye. Say bye.
By person I don't know.
Hold on, y'all. Y'all didn't get that on camera, right? He about to get slapped, though. He ain't gonna last.
I'm on the left.
What the
Right.
love? Like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can update my latest posts. So